And so we invite you now to close your eyes and to breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in. Imagine that you are surrounded by your galactic family of light, by the ascended masters, the angels, and the cosmic host, and the Telosians. Relax into their presence. Relax into sensing and feeling their presence. In your mind, dear ones, or if you feel comfortable out loud, say the following to invite the higher dimensional light and everything that comes with it to help you and to assist you in the fulfillment of the divine plan and your ascension. In the name of Source, the beloved I Am Presence, the ascended host, the angels, the cosmic host, the Telosians, and all higher realms, I now call forth, I command, and I demand for the higher dimensional light, the ascended master's love, to fill me until my heart is overflowing, and for this love and light to expand out into my world, into my fellow men and women and children, and all life on this planet, to raise up all life on this planet, and to assist with the ascension of planet Earth. Feel this love, this light, this energy as a golden light to enter your entire being from all directions, from all these wonderful beings of light that are around you. They are sending you this light right now. From all directions. And you see, feel, and perceive your entire being to become brighter and lighter. This light becomes so bright until it fills your entire room with this bright light. It fills your entire city with this bright light. It fills your entire country with this bright light. It fills your entire planet with this bright light. Hold this light Intensify, intensify, intensify this light. Raise, raise, raise all life on your planet. Raise, raise, raise all life on your planet. Raise, raise, raise all life on your planet. You might feel your body vibrating, buzzing, ringing, and feel wonderful. When you feel complete, dear ones, come on back and return your awareness to the room that you're in. Wiggle your fingers and toes, move your head,